In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency using Bybit, regardless of the current restriction that Binance currently is undergoing, and of course, Qcoin due to the regulations from the federal government, right? You can still get to buy and sell your cryptocurrency using P2P seamlessly on Bybit. Now, here's where it even gets more interesting. Bybit just sent me an email, like you can see currently rolling on my screen recently, where they're asking me to tell you that you stand a chance to actually gain. Bybit is actually giving you an opportunity to earn a free 10 USDT, which is equivalent to somewhere around 15,000 Naira. And all you have to do is to actually trade on Bybit. All you have to do is to click on the link in my description below, sign up for Bybit, and you get to start trading. All you do is sign up and get to trade, buy and sell your cryptocurrency, and you stand a chance to actually, in fact, it's not a chance, you actually get your 10 USDT. Now, what is the disclaimer? Very simple. You just have to make a deposit of about $100 or 100 USDT, and that's about it, and you are going to get your 10 USDT. And if you do not get it, come back to the comment section and tell me. I'm going to ask you for your account, and then I'm going to get them to send your money to you. Easy peasy. Now, without further ado, let's hop right into why I actually created this video, which is teaching you how you can actually sell your cryptocurrency or buy your cryptocurrency using Bybit P2P, regardless of the current restriction in the Nigerian system of cryptocurrency. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this works. So, the first thing you want to do is to come on your Bybit account, which I just did right now. And you can see on my Bybit account, currently I have 99.8 USDT, which is equivalent to 100 USDT. So there are two things that you want to do here. So when you come on Bybit, right, the next thing you want to do is to click on your more account for choosing to sell. When you click on more, you can see the option to buy crypto, or you can choose just the number. So just come and click on buy crypto. Once you click on buy crypto, you can see on the third icon here is P2P trading. So you want to click on P2P trading. All right. Now, there are two things you can do here. Is either buying or selling. So in the event that you're choosing to buy, in this video, the tutorial is how to sell your cryptocurrency. But again, if you're choosing to buy, the only advice I would advise you is, I'll tell you, is that do not go for anybody that is ineligible. You can see currently there are a number of ineligible people here. Do not, for any reason, do any transaction with them. Make sure that you're transacting with somebody who clearly is eligible. The second thing is, depending on how much you're choosing to transact, you can see there are limits here. So this person currently, S-Band, is actually trading from 5,000 to 8,000 Naira for little traders, people who want to trade little amount. So usually, make sure that whatever amount you want to buy, the limit of the person, the amount you're willing to buy is in between the limit of the person. Say so this person now is selling 10,000 to 12,000 Naira. So if you're willing to buy cryptocurrency from within the range of 10,000 to 12,000, this is the person you should be transacting with. But literally make sure that the limit of the person, the lowest of the limit of the person, is less than the amount you're willing to buy. So regardless of how much the range is, you would be able to transact with that person. But just make sure that if you're trading, so let's say 20,000 or 21,000, the person's limit is starting from 20,000 Naira thereabout. All right, that's about it. And then if you're choosing to sell your cryptocurrency, all you have to do is to come here and click on the sell button. And once you click on the sell button, you will see options. So the same thing I described for the buy also applies here, which is actually the eligibility. Secondly is the limit. So currently I'm about to sell 100 USDT technically. So the next thing I want to do is to make sure that amongst the eligible people, I'm able to look for somebody who is within the range, who actually stands a chance, who 100 USDT is somewhere around 150,000 Naira right now. So I'm looking for somebody who is here, whose limit is somewhere within 100,000 Naira and 200,000 Naira or whatever. So I'm just going to keep searching and searching and searching until I find that person, right? You can see there's 300K here, but we will not go for 300K because transaction is not up to that amount. So there's 200K, our transaction is not up to that amount. So here we finally got somebody, BRO, who has a limit of 100K to 892K. I'm just going to click on BRO, and then normally I should click on all. But why my USDT is not showing right now is because currently I have not transferred my USDT is still in my trading account. All right, so what I'm going to come here and click on transfer. Let me do that again so you see. You're going to come here and click on transfer. In case you've traded before, you come here and click on USDT. And once you click on USDT, you click moving it from your trading account to your funding account, and I click on maximum. You can see 99.6. So I click on confirm, and everything has been moved, transfer successful. Then I go on to do what I did earlier on, right, which is actually selling my cryptocurrency, right? So I'm just going to come here again to more, click on buy crypto P2P, then click on sell, and then I'll go on to look for somebody who is actually doing transaction within my range like I did earlier on. So I'm able to get this person. This person is trading 150K to 23 million naira. So I'm just going to click on this person and click on all. So this person is going to be paying me 158,000 naira. You can see it currently in naira. The next thing you want to do is to click on bank transfer, and you choose the account you want to use for your transaction, right? So you choose the account you want to use for your transaction, which I have chosen my account here. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on confirm, and then I'm going to click on sell. The next thing is simply the person send the money to your account, and then you just release the fund, and that's about it. That's how simple it is for you to just sell your cryptocurrency. All right, guys. So if you like this video, you might want to give me a subscribe button, and then also make sure that you start trading and making funds online. Thank you, and see you in my next video.